Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I know I'm a bit late, but I have literally been going through so much, good and bad, but everything feels like it's finally kind of settling down. I am super busy with my press-on nails. Thank you so much for all of your support and for everyone that's buying them. I am so grateful and so appreciative and so excited to keep growing my business, and I'll link all that information down below. But I am so happy to be back and filming, and I really wanted to start off this new year with a pop of color. So I wanted to keep it kind of neutral and toned down, but then have a little spice thrown in there with a pop of color. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Wonder Beauty Wondrous Escape palette. The first shade I'm going into is Sunkissed. With my Sigma E38 diffuse crease brush, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease. Just going back and forth, and then doing little circular motions to blend it out. I'm going to wing out my shadow, so I go from the outer corner towards the tail of my brow and then back, kind of just like in a V. I'm now going into Overnight. Now going into my E25 blending brush, I'm going to start applying this through the crease a little bit lower. I find with a smoky eye it's easier to blend out the crease first and really concentrate on diffusing it and then just popping the shadow on the lid. And now with that same brush, I'm just packing on this shadow all over the lid. Now going back into Sunkissed on my E38, I'm applying this at the highest point of the crease to just blend everything out. Look at how nicely that just diffused the shadow. I'm going into the Laura Mercier Caviar Stick Eye Color in Turquoise. I'm going to roughly apply this on my lower lash line. And then with my Sigma F70 Concealer Brush, I'm going to blend this out. I'm picking up Sea Glass. And then I'm going to apply the shadow quickly over top. I'm now going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Deep End. I'm going to line my lower waterline. I'm now going into Moonlit. And then I'm just going to highlight my inner corner. I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to Lily Lashes in Doha. And that's the eye look done. Now moving on to lips, I'm going to go first into the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in, I can never pronounce this name, Sobe? I don't know, S-O-B-E. I'll link it down below. So I'm going to apply this lipstick all over. And then I'm going to go into the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Revive just to highlight the center of my lips. And that is it. This is the completed look of my brown smoky eye with a pop of color. I hope that you enjoyed this look. You can obviously recreate this look with any color on the lower lash line. I really wanted to do purple so it would make my eyes look a little bit more green, but then I got stuck on this palette with the blue, and I'm so happy I did it because I'm obsessed. I love it so much. And all the products that I used today, along with my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look, will be linked down below for you guys to find everything easier. Don't forget to get that brush set. I'm telling you. Buy brushes, and that's all you need to create every eye look possible. Every eye look that I do a tutorial with is all with brushes in my brush set, so go get your hands on it. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I now have 2 Instagrams, one for my press-on nails and one for makeup, and that will be linked down below as well. And don't forget to check out my Etsy shop for my press-on nails. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell, and I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!